Hi everyone! Welcome to this tutorial for creating this beautiful bunny. So, what I used? I bought these pillowcases from Temu and I used them as my base for this bunny. You will need a cut pattern which I already posted to this channel. And then you need to use pattern to cut all pieces. So basically for ours you need 4 pieces, but you can cut 2 and 2. It's up to you, just make sure fabric is facing to each other. Once cut it, just sew them on the sides. For hands you do it basically same, also sewing them on the sides. Legs, these are also sewed on the side, you are not sewing bottom. Okay, and this is how your body part looks like, also sewed as I showed you. So this is how it looks like when it is sewed. Feet, you will have to add bottom part now. It can be same as your legs color, or it can be like something colorful. Then ours, they basically are done. And I didn't mention this before, but in one of pieces for body leave empty space. So I changed my mind for feet and I did this with fur, so that's how it looks like when it's done. Now I will show you how to put bunny together. So you have to look how your hands are going to fit body part and then pin everything together. This is the best way how to do it, like, because especially with fur everything can be like moved easily. So if you want to make sure your bunny is going to look like nicely, just pin everything. That's how it looks like when it's done. And now we are going to do bottom part. But for this one, you have to first attach your feet. So, as I want to have my feet a little bit squeezy, I'm going to fill them. Not too much, just make them to look nice. You can play with this a little bit. So that was first one, now I'm doing second one. And now we are going to just measure basically where legs are going to be attached. You can just take a ruler or just attach them how you think it's will look nice. Just make sure they are like in same position on both sides. So I just sew them, and now we are going to attach bottom part. So place your feet inside, and what I did, I just used handmade stitches and attached this by handmade sewing, and then went and sew it with sewing machine. It was much more easy than just do it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's basically that part is done. Now we have to do head. Okay, so this is his head part. It's basically main part. First thing, we have to attach the ears. So if I remember correctly, I use like 7.5 centimeters from the front, and I sewed the ears. Then you will use your nose. I had this piece of leather which I used, but it can be like any black fabric. Once done, you can attach these side parts, which are coming basically from front of your nose until end of ears. When it's done, it looks like this, and now you can attach your eyes. So this is how it looks like. Just if you are making this for child, please make sure it's attached properly. And I also used to secure this kind of things with hot glue, even like sewing around, because I'm really scared some child will choke or something. I just missed to say that I also sewed bottom triangle. It's visible on the video. And now I'm just going to sew that part which is like staying freely there. So it's starting to make this head shape. And once when that one is done, there is still like 2 centimeters left. So I just going to sew this together as I'm showing on the video. Okay, so head and body, they are basically done. Now we are going to use that small open space which we left when we were like sewing things together. Firstly, because it's very difficult to put everything through that small space, I basically attached everything with handmade stitches on front side of the bunny. So basically face was attached by these handmade stitches, and then when I finish this, I pull everything through that small space and I sewed bunny head together with bunny body. So that's how it looks like now. It's I just like double checked if there didn't stay like any open space or something. It worked very well, so hopefully it will work for you as well. And now we are going to use that open space to fill bunny's head. So it can take a little bit time. It's just make sure the head looks nice. Once when you are done with head, keep going with body. And when you finish with that, you will again just use handmade stitches and sew that open space on bunny's back together. Just as I said, because it's usually like this kind of things are for children, make sure it's done properly. So I really hope you like this video. Please let me know if you want to improve something or you think something should be done differently. But I really think this bunny came out really nicely, and maybe I will make even some for my nieces and nephew. So this is how it looks like when it's getting to be filled. So you can see I'm just going to close this open part by handmade stitches. If you watched until now, you are my hero. Thank you!